Try these 13 baking soda tricks that will change your life right now. Baking soda, sometimes referred to as sodium bicarbonate, is a white powder that is mostly used in cooking. Alternatively, if you are a middle school student, you might be familiar with baking soda from a science fair project, where it was used to create a roaring volcano. But what if we told you that there are a ton of other applications for baking soda in addition to these two? It turns out there are more uses for baking soda than merely creating baked goods and acting out volcanic explosions. Here are a few instances of how adding baking soda to your routine regularly may significantly improve your health. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Please be sure that any significant dietary changes you make satisfy your health needs by speaking with your doctor or nutritionist before making them, and each instance will also have unique consequences and effects. So now, let's get started. 1. Reduces canker sores. Canker sores are incredibly nasty and irritating. Baking soda can reduce and possibly completely get rid of the pain. Canker sores are frequently treated with baking soda. Because of the powder's alkalinity and antibacterial qualities, the canker sore will heal more quickly and be less irritated by acids. About 3,000 patients visited the mouth clinic during a 7-year period, according to a 1973 research carried out at the Sunnybrook Health System. Most of these people had chronic ulcerations, and the care they were getting didn't work. In order to reduce plaque buildup, the clinic's therapy for chronic ulceration placed a strong emphasis on using mouthwashes made of baking soda and routinely cleaning teeth thoroughly. As a result, following treatment with baking soda, 7 out of 10 patients showed statistically significant improvements. To make this cure for yourself, mix a small quantity of water and a pinch of baking soda into a paste in a small basin. Put it on the hurting canker. If it gives you the willies, you may always rinse with a mixture of baking soda and water. Make sure you've cleaned your hands before putting them in your mouth. 2. Relieve acid reflux. In the U.S., around 60 million people suffer from heartburn. Every day, around 15% of people have persistent heartburn. A change in diet is frequently recommended as a treatment for frequent heartburn. Nevertheless, you nonetheless want a remedy for those instances when heartburn occurs and medicine isn't a tablespoon or 2 of water, and some handy baking soda may be helpful. Baking soda use is said to lower stomach acid, although further research is required to support this theory. Since sodium bicarbonate is a natural antacid and a frequent component of many acid reflux treatments, it can be used to treat acid reflux. 3. Gets rid of filthy fridge smell. Putting baking soda in the refrigerator eliminates odors from food and molecules. Refrigerator scents are typically caused by mold yeast or rotting food. Food in the refrigerator can cause bacteria to generate daughter molecules that are either acidic or alkaline. And when you open the refrigerator door, you can be greeted by either amine, a basic chemical with a sour smell that comes from poor meat, or butyric acid, a fatty acid with a bile fragrance that comes from old butter. Due to its amphoteric nature, baking soda either transforms strong alkaline solutions into odorless sodium salts or neutralizes acidic solutions, hence lowering their pH and odor. Place some baking soda on a dish to absorb the odors. Once everything is ready, switch off the refrigerator's electricity and remove everything. Then, place the plate inside the refrigerator and wait for 20 to 30 minutes. This will eliminate the unpleasant odor from the fridge and leave it smelling great. 4. May relieve arthritis pain. According to recent studies, rheumatoid arthritis may benefit from the usage of baking soda. Rheumatoid arthritis is an inflammatory illness that destroys the joints of the body. Symptoms may include pain, swelling, stiffness, and even the inability of a joint to move. Baking soda can help create an atmosphere that is less inflammatory, per a 2018 study. In the experiment, a solution of baking soda and water was consumed by both people and animals. By lowering joint inflammation and enhancing the body's anti-inflammatory response while lessening the consequences of its autoimmune reaction, it assisted in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. It seems that the macrophages were affected by the baking soda. Macrophages are a subset of immune cells that contribute to inflammation. Immune cells called macrophages cause inflammation when they identify a pathogen, such as a virus. Researchers found that the manner macrophages sent these signals was changed by baking soda. They transmitted a message of calm rather than an assault signal, and as a result, there was less inflammation. This might completely change how autoimmune disorders are treated. 5. Remove stains. Finding a stain on your clothing or furniture can be pretty frustrating, but baking soda can help. Try the tried and true method of mixing baking soda with water in this circumstance. You can produce a thick paste with just 1/4 cup of water, 4 teaspoons of baking soda, and a small amount of dish soap. All stains may be erased with this thick paste. Just use a clean towel to remove the thick paste after scrubbing it off the spots. Your furnishings and clothing will seem just as clean as they did. 6. Helps whiten your teeth. Our teeth will show evidence of abuse if we fail to look after them. It's not sufficient to merely clean your teeth every time. Natural bleaching properties are found in baking soda. It has been demonstrated that toothpaste containing baking soda is more effective than those that do not in eliminating yellow stains. Furthermore, research has demonstrated that baking soda is an efficient way to get rid of plaque. Baking soda has an alkaline mouth, eliminates bacteria, and shields teeth from decay. Mix a little lemon juice and baking soda together. Lemon juice may be used to help get rid of stubborn stains from your gums and teeth. After it's finished, use a toothbrush to clean your teeth. Before doing this on your own, be aware that it is not a quick fix. For minor issues, baking soda works well, although some tooth damage can be rather severe. If you find this information useful, please click the like button and tell your friends and family to subscribe to our channel so they can receive more guidance and insight for a healthier life. 7. May help your kidneys. According to several studies, baking soda can improve your health by lowering your chance of getting chronic kidney disease. As the name suggests, this is a dangerous disorder that affects your kidneys especially and steadily reduces their function over time. Because your kidneys filter your blood and remove excess waste from it, maintaining the health of your kidneys is essential to the proper functioning of the rest of your body. If patients with chronic renal disease take a daily dosage of baking soda, they may be able to postpone or perhaps prevent the need for dialysis. One research found that taking a supplement containing baking soda daily decreased the incidence of kidney failure in persons with chronic renal illness by 36%. The results of a randomized controlled trial showed that individuals with metabolic acidosis and chronic renal disease who took oral bicarbonate supplements improved over 2 years. Despite significant limitations, the study offers strong evidence that these supplements might be beneficial for treating specific ailments. To validate their findings, the researchers have called for more study. Where this falls within the general regimen of care for those with chronic renal disease is yet unknown. In reality, sodium bicarbonate may still be administered to hospitalized patients with severe renal illness. 8. Treats dry skin. Baking sodas are a good treatment for swollen, itchy skin because of their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities. Simply mix a little amount of baking soda with coconut oil. When you rub this into your skin, it will create a lovely paste that will lessen redness and irritation for up to 5 minutes. Additionally, baking soda is beneficial for dry feet. It won't take long for you to complete this treatment. After soaking your feet in warm water for 15 to 20 minutes, mix some baking soda with water, apply it on your feet, and rub it in. Your feet will be free of dead skin after doing this, and your damaged heels will also get better. 9. An effective body scrub. By creating your own all-natural body scrub, you may get rid of flaky, dull skin and reveal a more vibrant complexion. The hack we just outlined is comparable to this one. To begin, combine 1 part water with 3 parts of baking soda. This will produce a thick paste. Apply the paste and use circular movements to massage it into the skin when you're ready to scrub. You could notice that thereafter, your skin feels and looks healthier and more vibrant. After only 1 application, this unique baking soda paste will leave your skin feeling smooth and looking young. 10. Bad breath solution. Everyone has occasionally woken up with horrible morning breaths, but baking soda works like a charm to freshen your breath. Bad breath is frequently caused by food particles that produce acid on your teeth, equivalent to halitosis. These may comprise both wholesome and harmful foods, however. Do you find mouthwashes that irritate your mouth too much? How about making a mouthwash out of baking soda to freshen your breath? Simply incorporate a small amount of baking soda into your daily warm water swishing regimen. Granular baking soda works incredibly well to clean between teeth and other difficult-to-reach areas that you might miss when flossing and brushing. Because of its mild abrasive properties, baking soda can help whiten your teeth and eliminate plaque. And its antibiotic and antibacterial properties may aid in getting rid of oral germs that produce foul breath. Scientific studies verify that baking soda is an efficient way to get rid of bad breath. 11. It really helps with insect bite irritation. Using baking soda on mosquito bites could provide some comfort. By mixing 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a tiny quantity of water, you may create a paste. Once the two have been well combined, apply the paste to the bite and let it there for 10 minutes or so before washing it off. Keep in mind that this is best used to treat only insect bites. It's crucial to see a doctor if you've been bitten by anything else and are exhibiting strange symptoms. 12. All natural deodorants. The majority of us usually use Old Spice as our go-to deodorant, but I wanted to let you know that baking soda also works rather well. Baking soda works wonders to get rid of underarm odor and is an all-natural substitute for store-bought deodorant. In a single study, 63 University of Oklahoma College of Medicine graduating seniors who used baking soda as an underarm deodorant were examined once a week for a month. At the end of the school year, each student received a questionnaire to complete about their usage of baking soda as an underarm deodorant. The majority of the 63 students said that sodium bicarbonate did not irritate their skin, and they all agreed that it was an excellent deodorant. Add 1/8 teaspoon water to 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Ensure that it doesn't evaporate entirely. It can be massaged under the arm once mixed. Equally effective is baking soda mixed with cornstarch. To combat body odor, a combination of 1 part baking soda and 1 part cornstarch works just as well. 13. May help fight cancer. Apart from its numerous other possible advantages, baking soda might also help patients undergoing treatment for specific types of cancer. Because baking soda lessens the acidity of the tumor environment, studies have indicated that it may increase the effectiveness of chemotherapy in the treatment of cancer, facilitating the use of chemotherapeutic medications to suppress the growth of cancer cells. However, further human study is required to demonstrate the actual effectiveness of this concept. Because testing was mostly done on animals and in cell experiments, and since this study is currently in its early phases, we discovered the finest baking soda hacks for your body and house. If you decide to use baking soda frequently going forward, please share your results with us in the comments section below. Please hit the like button and tell your friends and family to subscribe to our channel if you think this information is helpful. We'll be back soon with more insightful and in-depth guidance. In order to go closer to living better, happier lives, let's connect with one another and exchange information. Thank you for staying until the end of our video, and we hope to see you in our upcoming one.